Hey, how's it going? Good morning, everybody. It is 5:15, 5:19 in the morning on Sunday. Happy Sunday to everybody. Wanted to make this real quick, short video. I had somebody reach out to me about an ad that I placed on Facebook where you can get free organic traffic, also using YouTube as a source of free traffic. He says, "Hey, Corey, what's up? Which marketing system are you talking about for one-time fee?" I'm talking about the My Six Figure Blueprint marketing system. It's a one-time payment of $150. You'll be able to brand yourself, email follow-ups, page builder, autoresponder, um, capture unlimited leads using the marketing system for the My Six Figure brand. It comes with three, excuse me, I've been dealing with a sickness, been cold, but I'm going to face through it and bring you this. It comes with 3 product levels: the marketing system, the library packet, and the resellers club. Now, in the marketing system is a one-time 150 payment, and it allows you to be able to earn an extra income of $100 every time someone joins with you. Now, this system gives leverage. So every time someone joins with your prospect underneath you, you'll make a $25 leverage line commission. So that you can imagine, if you have 10 people underneath you that's action takers and go-getters, and you have those $25 coming to you passively through the work of your teammates, how big that could be. Well, I had someone reach out to me on an ad that I placed. He said, "What's up, Corey? Which one of the market systems, the one-time fee?" I explained to him what it was. He said, "Cool, send me over the link. Sounds good." He checked out the link. Now, this link that I sent him to a 4-minute video. I'll show you guys real quick. Sent him to this 4-minute video explaining how he could bank instant payments up to $300. He checked out the video. He checked out the video, and he asked me. He says, "Thanks, do the capture pages connect to a third-party autoresponder?" Yes, it does, you guys. They do offer a third-party autoresponder connection. I connected with him, followed through, let him know. He'll get back with me later on that. And so I just wanted to make this video so you guys can see over in the back office. I'm going to take you over into the marketing system. Let's just load up real quick. So you see here it says how you can edit your capture pages. Everything in here has a video to show you how to use the marketing system, so that way you get the best out of it. Right here, add a third-party autoresponder. You can connect to Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and those other bigger autoresponders. And you do not need those to be able to use this system, because it's going to capture all your email follow-ups. It's going to capture all your leads. It's going to do all the email follow-ups for you. So if we go in here to set up your autoresponder, you see it gives you a whole 30-day email series. You can add to this email series. It's going to do all the follow-up for you when someone joins in and gets started and put their email into your capture page for the My Six Figure Blueprint. So these messages are going to go out up to 30 days. I am going to add more messages to the autoresponder, but these are pre-built messages inside. I have other things that I'm working on, and I have set up other autoresponders with this. You can do up to 4 autoresponders for different campaigns with this system, and catch up to unlimited leads. So just wanted to show you that real quick and let you know that you don't have, this is a one-time fee. No monthly payments after you pay for it. It's yours. It's a lifetime commitment. And it also gives you the option to be able to resell the marketing system as your own and be able to make that $100 every time someone joins with you, and with leverage. Totally automated system, allows you to get paid through Cash App, other different payment processors. They give you training in the background, and once you get started, if you go here and over in the system overview, it's gonna give you other resources on how to get traffic to your page without having to pay for traffic, and do free method traffic. I use free traffic with Facebook and YouTube. I learned how to use these two systems to bring traffic to my online opportunities with the Infinity Processing System. It is a traction marketing platform that teaches you traction and marketing and how to write and set up your page for success and write ads that attract people to you and your offer, so that way you don't have to be selling and telling to every person online or that asks you about your business. Now, having this marketing system can fully automate that even further, because now the two of them are direct payment systems. So you don't have to worry about a middleman. You don't have to worry about a company holding your fees. You don't have to worry about PayPal shutting you down. You don't have to worry about Stripe not letting you withdraw your cash. It's all automated, 100% direct commissions to you when using this system. I wanted to go over it through there and let you guys know that it does come with a fully third-party built-in autoresponder. If this is something that you like and you're interested in, the link is in the description below. And I'm going to have the link for Infinity Processing System if you're looking to learn how to attract more people to your opportunity with attraction marketing. That link also will be in the description below. I hope this helps. That's my guiding force in this field, is to help as many people as possible to start an online business and get going within their business and not have to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to have a successful online business. Now, the Resellers Club is a one-time fee of $1,500, but you're going to get the six-figure library pack. You get the marketing system. With inside the six-figure library, they have even more training and how to come up with content for more than 30 days, attraction marketing, trading, and a whole list of other things that you could do. Now, if you don't like being on video and you want something that's easy that you could do offline, you can also do this offline. They also provide postcards, so you can work this business through a postcard business, which is awesome when it comes to uh, lead generation, because the more eyeballs you have on your business, the better off that you will be with when it comes to making sales and gaining new leads into your business. Now, when you go to the link in the description, it's going to take you to this 4-minute video that's going to show you and give you even more detail about the My Six Figure Blueprint. And if you stay to the end, I do appreciate you watching my video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any ongoing changes that's happening within the My Six Figure Blueprint. And I have a traffic bonus for those who wants to get started with the My Six Figure Blueprint. I'm gonna hook you up with my viral traffic co-op. I'm gonna pay for you to use this system, so be on the lookout for my emails. Put my emails over into your primary box, so that way you don't miss any other trainings that I'm going to be giving and sending through the email, and show you how we're going to set up your link inside of the Viral Traffic Co-op, so that way you start getting eyeballs on your business and you can start working your business within little as time possible. That's my segment on and my update with my 6-figure blueprint. I hope you guys would like to take me on. I like to take you on and help new people get started in this space. Oh, I feel so sick. I'm sorry, you guys, but I want to make sure I bring you guys the content and show up daily within my business and show up daily for you guys. I appreciate those who watch my videos. And till the next one, I'll see you guys on the inside. And I'll have the link for the traffic co-op if you want to just use this as a traffic source.